Strategy 4 for the English language learner. Guiding questions. Proficiency level advanced high. Students who are English language learners at this stage can apply with minimal second language acquisition support and at a level nearly comparable to native English speaking peers. Basic and higher order comprehension skills when reading grade appropriate text. The guiding questions will assist the learner in higher order comprehension by guiding their reading. Social Studies, 4th grade. TEKS. Instructions. The teacher will provide guiding questions for the students to think about while reading the text. The teacher will demonstrate how to use the guiding questions by performing a think aloud with the students. Once the students understand how to use the guiding questions, the students will use the questions to guide their reading of the text. Here's an example. Now, this could be in a worksheet and it could be provided to the students, or this can be posted up on a board for the students while they go over a chapter. I have here, prior to reading the chapter, read these guiding questions so that you can read with the purpose. Read the chapter and jot notes or answers as you go, or write your thoughts at the end. What events led up to the Battle of the Alamo? How is Santa Anna playing a significant role in the Battle of the Alamo? Why were the defenders of the Alamo unsuccessful? These guiding questions can benefit your English language learners because the English language learners will be able to use these questions to read with the purpose. This also helps your other students who are not English language learners. Demonstrating a think aloud teaches the students how to use this tool. This tool can be used in the classroom or at home when they are reading for homework purposes. References. Thank you.